Hey guys, Paul Springer here, Springer's Detailing. I'm a huge fan of these clay pads. You know when you fill your car, it's really rough. Traditional clay seems to take longer to me, so I like using these with my cordless polisher. This is an 8mm throw. Velcro backing. This car's been washed already. So you want to use a detail spray, waterless wash. I use this Time to Shine Quick Detailer. So you want to spray the pad really well. Make sure it's wet. Spray your area. And just light pressure. Go over the whole area. Takes it all off, super easy. You do this little area for you too. You can even get these little raised areas right here. A little more spray. Way faster than clay. Okay, so we clay pad, dried it, got all the overspray and fallout off. It's very smooth. So I'm just gonna do a real quick light polish. I use Adams Polish and their white polishing pad. So this is my Flex XFE 15mm. I'm a huge cordless fan. I'll put all the links below for these machines. It's one of the best machines I've ever bought. Now it's really smooth. So I always finish up my jobs with Time to Shine ceramic sealer. Couple sprays on your towel. Go over it with the wet side. Flip it over and dry it. So it's about a 3 to 6 month sealant. So there you have it. I could wash this car, use my clay pad, polish, ceramic seal. I could do the whole car in probably half an hour. That clay pad really saves a lot of time. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna put all the links to everything I use down below, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys. Ready?